Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude to summarize a book or research paper effectively. Whether you're studying for school, conducting research, reviewing a business book, or simply trying to understand a long document faster, Claude can help you create clear and accurate summaries in just a few minutes. The key is knowing how to guide Claude so you get more than just a basic overview. To get started, open Claude and upload your book, PDF, research paper, or document using the attachment button next to the message box. Wait for the file to finish uploading and processing before asking your first question. A common mistake is asking Claude something too vague, such as, "Summarize this." While Claude can certainly do that, you'll often get better results by being more specific about the type of summary you need. For a general overview, try a prompt like, "Provide a detailed summary of this document, including the main themes, key arguments, important findings, and overall conclusions." This gives you a solid understanding of the material before diving into specific sections. For books, you can ask Claude to break the content down chapter by chapter. For example, summarize each chapter separately and provide the main takeaway from each one. This approach makes it easier to understand how the author's ideas develop throughout the book and helps you locate important information later. For research papers, focus on the academic structure. A useful prompt is, "Summarize the research question, methodology, key findings, limitations, and conclusions of this paper." This format captures the most important elements researchers and students typically need. Another helpful technique is adjusting the summary length. For example, you can ask, "Summarize this paper in 100 words," or "Create a one-page executive summary suitable for someone who has never read the document." Claude can adapt the level of detail to match your needs. If the material is highly technical, ask Claude to simplify it. You might use a prompt such as, "Explain the contents of this document in simple language suitable for a beginner." This is especially useful for scientific papers, legal documents, and technical reports that contain specialized terminology. You can also ask Claude to identify the most important points. For example, list the 10 most important insights from this document and explain why each one matters. This helps separate the critical information from supporting details. For deeper understanding, follow up with questions about specific sections, arguments, or findings. Since Claude retains the document context during the conversation, you can continue exploring the material without repeatedly uploading the file. Finally, if accuracy is important, ask Claude to support its summary with references from the text. A prompt like, "Provide evidence from the text for each major conclusion in your summary," can help ensure the summary remains grounded in the original content. By uploading the document, using specific prompts, adjusting summary length, and asking targeted follow-up questions, you can use Claude to quickly understand books, research papers, and other lengthy documents without reading every page yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.